In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a professional video editor and color grading tool used across the industry. And the best part is there's a powerful free version. We'll keep things simple and make sure you get the official installer safely and correctly. First, head to the official Davinci Resolve download page on Blackmagic Design's website. It's important to download from the official source to avoid outdated or tampered files. If you're searching, look for the Blackmagic Design domain and the Davinci Resolve downloads page. You should see options for the free Davinci Resolve and the paid studio version. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the free download. Once you're on the downloads page, choose your operating system. You'll see options for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Pick the one that matches your computer. If you're unsure, on Windows you can check your system settings to confirm. On a Mac, the standard Mac download works across current versions, and on Linux, make sure you're running a supported distribution. Selecting the correct operating system ensures you get the right installer and prevents compatibility issues. This step is straightforward, but take a moment to be certain, especially if you're moving between different machines. Now click the download button for the free version. The button is typically labeled Download Free, and it's separate from the Studio option. After clicking, you may be prompted to fill out a short form with basic details before the download begins. This is normal for Blackmagic Design, and it helps them share updates and support information. Fill out only what's required, submit the form, and your download should start automatically. A few quick tips while the file downloads. The installer can be quite large, so a stable internet connection helps. If your browser asks for permission to allow downloads from the site, confirm it. If the download doesn't start right away, look for a prompt or a link that says, "Click here" to start manually. Choose a download location you'll remember, like your desktop or the default downloads folder, so you can find the installer easily later. And that's it for the download process. You've reached the official page, selected the correct operating system, and started the free download. Once the file finishes downloading, you'll have the installer ready to go on your machine. You're now set up with everything you need to proceed with installation when you're ready.